Welcome to the first session on creating pie charts in Microsoft Excel. We're diving right into the basics. Throughout this activity, our college will show you how to create pie charts in Microsoft Excel. This will aid you in project presentations and continuous improvement activities. Be sure to download the Microsoft Excel template so you can do the activities with us. We have provided this underneath the video. Let's get started.
Lesson 1, Microsoft Excel and creating pie charts. Welcome to the first session on creating pie charts in Microsoft Excel. We're diving right into the basics. Pie charts are useful for showing the proportion of different parts to a whole. In this lecture video, we will go over how to create a basic pie chart in Microsoft Excel.
So in this exercise, we're going to look at the sales data here. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it. But basically, one of the things that I want to start us off with is slow. Excel's an incredible tool that can help us grow and be able to showcase data, right? Now, if we look at the sales, right? You guys can see right here, it's in a dollar value, right? I can change this right here to an accounting function. I can also decrease or increase the decimal points here, right? You guys see I have the monthly sales right here. Well, what I want to do is create a basic pie chart. And basically, I'm going to highlight these two columns. And I hold Shift as I go through. I then go to Insert up here on the top left. You see it? And then I come over here to Pie Chart, right? You can also just type in Pie Chart 2 or Donut Chart. It'll pop up, and you can see it there in your tab. I'll go ahead and do it again for you guys. We're going to come over here. We're going to highlight the data, and then go to Insert, and then click on a Pie Chart. Any pie chart will do, but as you guys can see, this data is kind of like it's there, right? Now, let's say you wanted to add some extra pizzazz to it. You have these options here where you could have the percentages in here, right? So this is how you create a pie chart.
Go ahead and pause the video. Go through and create a pie chart for the number of sales. We will move on to the next module afterwards. Next, click the second tab label Practice. Pause until you are ready to move on.
So the next thing I want you guys to learn how to do is single out data. As professionals in the industry, you have to understand what data is relevant and what data is not. So this is where we add an extra component into here to be able to create a pie chart. So if I have my students here, right, and the names are really irrelevant, and I have math score and science score, well, I can come over here and try to do where I highlight everything, but like it'll only select one value. I don't care about the term. So what I've got to do is I've got to come over here and highlight this data, hold Control or Command if you're on an Apple computer. You might have to look this up just in case, because some computers, depending on the version, are different. So for the bulk of it, it would be either holding Command or Control and then highlighting a column. Right? Now, Control or Command allows me to skip this value so it's not in the data. So again, I'll show it to you one more time. We went through here. I held Control or Command and then highlighted the math score, still holding. So basically, I highlight, let go of the mouse, hold Control, and then highlight the values. And you can see here, I can create the mass score. Let's go ahead and do it for the science. And you can see I have a science score. Now, like if you see right here, I could add data legends to that. That's the grade on there. Right. Well, why am I showing you this? Well, you're going to be dealing with sometimes bigger files or bigger, data sets, and it's good to understand how to separate that data graphically. Now, I encourage you guys to play around with this and get some practice in doing this, but this is how you create a pie chart.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like the video and comment below if you found this video helpful.